Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on how to write a business email. We will look at how to start an email, what to write in the middle, and also how to end an email correctly. These useful phrases will make your emails more professional and provide you with the essential vocabulary required for the business environment. So the first part we're going to look at is how to start a business email correctly. There are many ways to do this, but here are some examples which I would recommend. Dear Mr. or Mrs. It's important to include titles such as Mr., Mrs., Doctor when writing a formal email. If you don't know the name of the person reading the email, you can say Dear Sir or Madame. This helps set the formality of the email and gives it a professional tone. If you already know the person you're writing to and have built up some rapport with them, you can start your email with Dear and then their first name. For example, Dear Kevin. This is more informal, however, as you already know them, the more formal options aren't needed anymore. When writing to a group of people, you can write Dear All, which is formal, or Hi Everyone, which is more informal. So again, depending on your rapport with the people, you can choose which one is best for your situation. So that's the starting phrase sorted. Let's have a look at the opening sentence. So your opening sentence is key when writing a clear email. This tells the reader what the email is about. You could start any of these with I'm just writing to, just a quick note to. So the first option is my favourite, and I would recommend this one. In business, people tend to write emails to clarify something, confirm something, follow up on something, let someone know about something, answer a question, ask a question, thank someone for something, or update someone. You can use the first phrase with these situations. For example, I'm just writing to clarify the notes for the meeting on Wednesday. Or, I'm just writing to confirm the date of the meeting. And another one, I'm just writing to update you on the new schedule for next week. So we're halfway through the video, so please let me know if you have any questions, and if you're finding the video helpful, then please like and subscribe. This is a new style of teaching for me, and if it gets good feedback, I will make some more in the future. So let's continue. If you've attached a file to your email, make sure to tell the person you're writing to that you have attached it. The more specific you are, the better. Being specific adds to the clarity of the email. So here's an example. I'm sending you this month's schedule as an attachment. You can also start your sentence with I've attached or please find attached. So the last option is my personal favourite, as I always use it for work. For example, please find attached a copy of my calendar for the following week. The ending. So when ending an email, ask yourself what you want the reader to do. If you want them to reply to you, you can write, I look forward to hearing from you, which is formal. Or you could choose looking forward to hearing from you, which is less formal. I look forward to your reply, which again is formal. Or hope to hear from you soon, which is informal. If you want them to contact you, if they need more information, you can write, do not hesitate to contact me if you need any assistance, which is formal. Let me know if you need anything else, which is informal. And then if you don't want them to do anything, you can just say thank you for your help or assistance, or have a nice day or weekend. And last but not least, the closing. So just like your opening phrase, your closing will depend on how well you know the reader. Common closes include sincerely, which is formal, kind, best, warm regards, which is slightly less formal. However, I tend to use best regards for most of my emails. You may have received emails with closing like these: all the best, see you soon, take care, bye for now. These closings help you create a closer relationship when you already know the reader. Well, this is the end of the video. And again, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section below. And if you found it useful, then please like and subscribe, because this would be a great indication to me to whether I should make more future videos like this. Thank you very much and have a great week.